In this video, I'm going to show you how to hyperlink a link inside of your Skool DMs. So that way you're not having to put messy links inside a message and it can look nice and clean. So the reason why I'm doing this is yesterday I was talking to my podcast co-host and I realized he didn't know how to do this. And so you can see like it was kind of funny how he was ending up how to figure it out and everything. And then talking to a few other people, they didn't know how to do this. So that is why I'm sharing this. What you would want to do is you want to go find a link that you're going to want to share. So I came over here, I grabbed this link because it's from a video that we were sharing, how to find questions to answer it for your target audience so that you always know what to make as far as content wise. And I went ahead and wrote a message out. So this is what it would look like if I didn't know how to hyperlink. I would just write the message out and then add the link. But what you can do is you can put this into brackets. So I'm going to put, here is the video. I'm going to put that part in brackets. And then immediately after, with no spaces, I'm going to put parentheses. I'm going to take this link. I'm actually going to write, remember there's a trick. If you put views, it's going to count as views for your YouTube. So I'm actually going to take this, put it inside the parentheses, and then I'm going to end the parentheses. And so that is going to create a message that now it's not going to have all of the messy kind of look to it. It's going to have just a nice, here's the video, and then it's going to go straight into the sentence. So he was like wanting to test it out with me too, to make sure he wasn't sending something to someone that looked messy. And it's a good thing he did, because he did have a space in between the brackets and the parentheses here. So once he ended up putting the space outside of it, like he put it all together, then it came through correctly. So if you ever feel like you want to test that with somebody, you don't have to give me any context. You can find me on Skool and just send me something. I will know if it's hyperlinked. I will know exactly that you were just trying to test it out. You have full permission to do that. My DMs get flooded anyways, so it's all good. But yeah, as you can see, when I click it, it is going to give him a very nice message. It says, here's the video where we talked about finding questions to answer for creating content.